Hi, I'm Sean. I'm a real estate agent, and I've been using IFTTT for a long time now, and I would give it a rating of a 5 completely. IFTTT is like an entire use daily for me. It simplifies my social media across the board. I'm able to post one place and provide the same consistent message through multiple platforms. I get daily updates that I set for things I'm looking for from my email, from the internet, from social media, and condenses it into little bites and nuggets where I need it. It has simplified how I use daily tasks that used to take 30, 40, 50 minutes to an hour to get done. Now it's all done one and done. Love it. One of the things I love the best about IFTTT is the customization. I can choose how I want it to work versus other products that didn't give me that. It allows me also to keep messages consistent and have fun with it too. You know, daily joke, love that. And it gets sent right to my email. So it's a phenomenal daily tool. So the only challenge I've ever had with IFTTT is every now and then the connected platforms on my social media seem to disconnect and I have to go back in and reconnect that account. Could be a security measure in place, I'm not sure. It's not that bad, it's just one extra step, but I deal with it. It doesn't change how I feel.